In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this extremely soft and creamy Kokum and cocoa hair and body butter that will keep your hair moisturized for days. This recipe is formulated for a large batch of 1000 grams. It will be enough for an entire family. Let me show you how to make this amazing whipped butter. First, you're going to need 300 grams of raw African shea butter. Next, we're going to add 80 grams of raw cocoa butter. And the third butter we're going to add to the bowl will be 50 grams of Kokum butter. Then we're going to take the bowl with the butters and place it over a pot with hot water for the butters to melt. While the butters are melting, we're going to weigh out our liquid ingredients. The first one will be glycerin. We will need 158 grams of vegetable glycerin. And next, we are going to add 130 grams of sweet almond oil, followed by 150 grams of castor oil. Then we will add 120 grams of grapeseed oil. After the butters have completely melted, we're going to add the oils to the melted butters. Please, I want to encourage you to subscribe to this channel if you have not yet subscribed. And please like this video as well, because I'll be bringing you a lot of videos about how to make different hair care products. Stir the oil and the butter mixture together to make sure that the oils are incorporated with the butters and that the oils are also warmed up by the melted butters. The last two ingredients we're going to add will be 10 grams of lavender essential oil. This will be our scent for this whipped butter. And then we're going to add our vitamin E to prevent our butter from going rancid quickly. And we're going to be using 2 grams of vitamin E. And before adding the vitamin E and the lavender essential oil, we want to make sure that our oil and butter mixture have warmed up to almost room temperature. Add your essential oil and vitamin E to the oil and butter mixture. We want to stir the mixture to make sure that all the ingredients are completely mixed together. Then we're going to cover our bowl with a foil wrap and place our bowl inside the freezer for 2 to 3 hours or until the top of the mixture has solidified. Like this. Then grab your handheld mixer and begin to whip your solidified body butter. Continue to whip until the entire product becomes fluffy or until you like the texture that you have. And also remember to scrape the sides to make sure that you get all the solid butter whipped so that you don't have any grainy texture inside your whipped butter. And continue to whip until you achieve your desired texture. And this can take between 3 to 5 minutes. Ooh, look at this wonderful, fluffy, whipped body and hair butter. It is easily absorbed into the skin and also into the hair strands. There you have it, your whipped Kokum and cocoa butter. Go right on and put it in your favorite container. Mine is a used yogurt container. We reuse a lot in my house. And instead of buying a big container to put my butter, I just reuse my old yogurt containers. In this recipe, this batch was able to make 2 large yogurt containers of whipped body butter. Thank you so much for watching my video. And please make sure you watch the video where I show you how to make this ultra hair detangler for 4C hair that will help you get all the knots out of your hair. I hope you're enjoying this video. Please remember to subscribe and to like this video. Thank you so much and God bless you. Bye. Bye.